What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as you know, winter is imminent, and you're going to want something hot to eat if you're at lunch or dinner time. So, today's cooking video, I'm going to be showing you how to make pho noodle soup. It's spelled P-H-O, but it's actually pronounced pho. But anyway, let's go over what we need to make it. So to make pho, we're actually going to be covering the basics of it. It's just chicken. We're just going to need some boneless, skinless chicken, tenderloins of some kind, or breast. You also need 2 packets of boned beef broth, and you'll need rice noodles of any kind. You're going to use the linguine kind, and let's get started. First, you're going to bake your chicken in the oven according to your package directions. If you want to bake your chicken, I'd bake if I were you. So for this next step, you're going to boil 2 cups of water in a big saucepan. Actually, you're going to add some additional water. I realize 2 cups of water isn't going to be enough to make this, to make the noodles, so I'm going to add additional water. And then, yeah. Alright, water's boiling. We're going to add the rice noodles to the pot, and we're going to cook them, for 6 minutes. Alrighty, so the noodles are done. We're gonna put them in this colander in the sink, and we're gonna strain these noodles out. All the while, I'm gonna add 2 cups of water to that pot and add the beef broth. So here's the 2 cups of water. And then I'm gonna let it boil for a bit. All right, the water is boiling. I'm gonna add both packets of beef broth to the. I'm gonna add both the beef broth packets. Let's see if I can get this open. Here's 1 packet. And here's the other packet. And then I'm going to give this a bit of a stir. So everything is fully evaporated. Then we're going to add the rice noodles and your cooked chicken back to the pot. And then we're going to stir everything around. That was a timer for the chicken, because I figured the chicken's well cooked enough before I can mix everything around. All right, looks like it's done. I'm gonna sample some of this, and hopefully it came out fairly decent. Ooh, that's... So this is how your final product should look like once it's in a bowl. So now I'm going to sample. So I'm going to take a bite and sample it. That's delicious. So that's how to make pho with just the bare basics. And if you want to, you can top this off with some cilantro or some juice from a lime wedge or something like that. But this is basically the basics of how to make pho from scratch. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.